Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner to open more options. And as you can see, the second bar, so the bar in the middle, is connected with the timer. We've got three different options, so the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let's tap on 10 seconds delay, and as you can see it will be immediately highlighted. What is more, the timer is also displayed inside the shutter button, which is a really nice option and nice touch, because we will be sure that we've got the timer set. We will not be surprised after tapping on the shutter button. Alright, so all we have to do is to tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, I believe. Of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And this is how it works, so let me also turn it off. Just tap on it, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.